Science right now, week 35, and this is the week of May 10th through the 14th, and this is your overview video to give you guys kind of an idea of what you're doing this week. So we're going to wrap up our unit on heat and heat energy and talking about those conductors and insulators of heat. You are going to read workbook pages 49 and 50. Just a reminder, that's that smaller pink workbook. In those pages, you're going to review these 3 topics, and then you have some multiple choice questions that you're going to answer on heat. When we go into Tuesday, there's a Generation Genius video that's going to now introduce our next topic that we're going to move into, force and motion. So in this video, Dr. Jeff is going to talk about motion, force, speed, and friction. Then on Wednesday, you are going to read textbook pages 410 through 413. On those pages, they are going to introduce these words, motion and position. You have a notebook page that you need to print, and then you are going to watch this teacher video following along on that notebook page, taking notes on motion and position. So you can see here that it goes through motion, position, speed, velocity, and acceleration. Today in this video, we're just going to talk about these first 2 terms. Moving on Thursday, now you're going to go in and read pages 414 to 419. So they are going to introduce speed, velocity, and acceleration. They're also going to talk about force, friction, and gravity. So you're going to go back to the page that you printed on Tuesday, and you're going to watch this teacher video, taking notes now on speed, velocity, and acceleration. So these last 3 here. And finally, on Friday, you have a short video to watch. This gentleman's going to go through and kind of represent these different terms, force, friction, and gravity, through just a very simple demonstration using a wooden block and a ramp. And after that, you are going to print this notebook page. You can also recreate it if you are out of ink, or it's just a very simple page that you can recreate. And then you're going to watch this teacher video. You can see that notebook page here. It's just 3 sections. So we're going to talk about force, gravity, and friction. That's your week in science. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help finding or printing or looking at any of these objects.